To enable the Source Medium report, go to Reports and head to Library. Now select Create New Report and choose Create Detail Report. Select Traffic Acquisition Template from the gallery. Now select Dimensions, which are located on the right side of the screen. Locate Session Source Medium and click on the 3 dots next to it. Then set it as default. Apply these changes. Now, save this report and give it a name. I will name it simply Source Medium. Let's go back to the library. Now edit the Lifecycle collection. In the Customization window, scroll down until you find the Source Medium report and drag it over to the Acquisition section. Click Save. That's it. Now you can always easily access the Source Medium report under the Acquisition section of your reports.